Hey everyone! In today's episode, we're going to learn how to use the Transform Coordinate Center tool. Let's find this tool. Look for the button called Use Transform Coordinate Center Flyout in your main toolbar. We're going to open it by click and hold on that flyout button. You will see three main options: Use Pivot Point Center, Use Selection Center, and Use Reference Coordinate System. Today, we're going to focus on the first two. By default, 3ds Max uses Use Pivot Point Center. Let's see what this does. Select just one object in your scene. Activate your Rotate tool. You will see the object rotates around its own pivot point. This is usually what you expect when you're working with a single object. Now, go ahead and select two or more objects. Notice how the rotation gizmo may jump to a different spot. That's because 3ds Max usually switches automatically to Use Selection Center when you have multiple objects selected. This is a setting where all the selected objects will rotate around one common center point. Try rotating them now. See how they orbit that central point? Now, let's try something else. Keep the same object selected. We're going to manually change the setting back. Go to the Transform Coordinate Center flyout again and click Use Pivot Point Center. When you use the Rotate tool, each object rotates around its own individual pivot point, even though they're all selected together. This is a great way to add some quick variation and randomness to multiple objects at once. It's important to know that groups works a little bit different. When you group objects together, they always transform as a single unit. This means they will rotate or scale around the group combined center, no matter which Transform Coordinate Center option you have selected. Here's a key thing to remember. Once you change the Transform Coordinate Center setting away from the default, 3ds Max keeps using that new setting until you manually change it back. This gives you fantastic control over how your objects behave when you transform them. So, understanding the Transform Coordinate Center can help you manage multiple objects. In a future video, we're going to look at the third option, Use Reference Coordinate System. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.